Got ourselves the Logitech G305. Let's take a look and see what's inside. All right, so let's open up the box here on both sides. Let's just take all the contents out here. Have the mouse. Let's see what else is inside here. We have our information booklet, 2 of them. And this is the mouse. Okay, that's nice that they gave us a Duracell battery. Other brands, they give you a no-name one, but this Logitech, they give you a nice branded battery. Okay, that's good. Let's see what's inside this bag here. All right, so we got ourselves cable, USB-A, USB-A. So that's interesting. I haven't seen one of these before with a mouse, so we'll dig a little bit deeper into that a little bit later. And here is the G305 mouse. White, black with the nice blue here. Let's put these off to the side here. Fits my hands really nice. I have big hands. Have the additional buttons at the side here. None on the right hand side, just on the left. You have your left, you have your right, you have your scroll wheel. There's an additional button right here. And that is pretty much it. That's the on and off switch here. Let's go ahead and turn it off. And let's open this up. Very simple. Oh, nice. It comes with the USB-A adapter, it looks like, if I can get my fingers in here. All right, good. So I got it out here. And this is pretty much everything that it comes with. Comes with the mouse, the USB adapter, and this USB-A to USB-A cable, a Duracell battery. I'm still shocked that they actually gave you a Duracell battery. And you have your information booklets here. And that's everything.